In a world filled with processed foods and sweetened beverages, excess sugar consumption has become a major health concern. The effects of sugar go far beyond weight gain. It impacts nearly every organ in the body and can significantly affect mental health. The physical toll of sugar. When you consume sugar, your body converts it into glucose, which is used for energy. However, when consumed in excess, sugar can cause a host of problems. Weight gain and obesity. Excessive sugar consumption is directly linked to weight gain and obesity. High sugar intake leads to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to regulate blood sugar levels. This, in turn, can lead to the storage of fat, particularly around the abdomen. Type 2 diabetes. Consistently high sugar levels can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to type 2 diabetes. Over time, the pancreas becomes unable to produce enough insulin to keep blood sugar levels in check, leading to chronic health issues. Heart disease. Sugar can increase blood pressure, cause chronic inflammation, and lead to fatty liver disease, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Studies have shown that people who consume high amounts of added sugars have a higher risk of dying from heart disease. Dental health. Sugar is a major contributor to tooth decay. Bacteria in the mouth feed on sugar and produce acid that erodes tooth enamel, leading to cavities and gum disease. The mental impact of sugar. The effects of sugar aren't limited to physical health. They also extend to the brain and emotional well-being. Mood swings and anxiety. Sugar can cause spikes and crashes in blood glucose levels, leading to mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. The temporary boost in energy and mood that sugar provides is often followed by a crash, which can leave you feeling worse than before. Cognitive decline. High sugar consumption has been linked to impaired memory and cognitive function. Studies have shown that diets high in sugar can negatively impact brain plasticity, which is crucial for learning and memory. Depression. There is a growing body of evidence suggesting that a diet high in sugar can increase the risk of depression. The inflammatory response triggered by sugar may play a role in this, as inflammation is a known risk factor for depression. Healthier alternatives to sugar. Reducing sugar intake is essential for both physical and mental health. Here are some healthier alternatives to consider. Natural sweeteners. Options like honey, maple syrup, and agave nectar are less processed and contain beneficial nutrients, though they should still be consumed in moderation. Fruit. Whole fruits provide natural sweetness along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are beneficial for health. The fiber in fruit slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes in blood glucose levels. Spices and extracts. Vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg can add flavor to foods and beverages without the need for added sugars. Reducing sugar intake may require time and effort, but the long-term benefits for your body and mind are well worth it. Ready to take control of your health? Start today by making simple swaps and reducing your sugar intake. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video, and share your progress with us in the comments below. Your journey to better health starts now. Let's do it together.